Division by Urdhva Tiryak, 4 digits in Dhvajank flag. When the divisor has 5 digits, in which first 2 digits are such that one cannot use tables for division, or 6 digits where one can make oral divisions with first 2 digits, he has to make divisions using Urdhva Tiryak Sutra with 4 digits in the Dhvajank, that is flag. In this process, he makes cross multiplications of 4 digits in Dhvajank by 4 quotient digits. We'll consider an example. Divide 41326 by 31046. Now there is a table. The columns are step, prefix or remainder, dividend digit, dividend minus quotient into Dhvajank, and quotient. The first step, remainder is 0, dividend digit is 4, dividend minus quotient into Dhvajank is 4 only. Quotient is 4 divided by 3 equal to 1. Second step, remainder 1, dividend digit is also 1. So dividend minus quotient into Dhvajank, that is 11 minus 1, 1 into 1, that is equal to 10. So 10 by 3 equal to 3 is quotient. Step 3. 1 is remainder, 3 is dividend digit, 13 minus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 3 equal to 10. 10 is the dividend. 10 divided by 3 is 3. Fourth step, remainder is 1. Dividend digit is 2. So dividend 12 minus 4 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 3 equal to 5. 5 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So 1 is quotient. Fifth step, remainder is 2. Dividend digit is 6. So dividend 26 minus 6 into 1, 4 into 3, 0 into 3, and 1 into 1, that is equal to 7. So 7 divided by 3 is 1. Quotient is 1. Now sixth step, 4 is the remainder, 7 minus 3 is 4 is the remainder, 0 is dividend digit, 40 minus 6 into 3, 4 into 3, 0 into 1, and plus 1 into 1, that is equal to 9. So 9 by 3 equal to 2. We don't take 3 because next step will be minus. So 2 is the quotient. Seventh step, 3 is remainder, 0 is dividend digit. So 30 minus 6 into 3 plus 4 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2, that is equal to 6. 6 by 3, again we don't take 2 but 1 as quotient. 8 step, again 3 is remainder, 3 is remainder, 0 is dividend. So 30 minus 6 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1 equal to 19. So 19 divided by 3 equal to 5. See, that is the quotient. Ninth step, 4 is the remainder, 0 is dividend digit. So 40 minus 6 into 1, 4 into 2, 0 into 1, and 1 into 5. That is equal to 21. So 21 divided by 3, we take 1 less, that is, quotient is 6, and then 10 step, 3 is the remainder. So 0 is dividend digit. So 30 minus 6 into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 0 into 5 plus 1 into 6 equal to 8. 8 by 3, that is equal to 1. Quotient is 2. Remainder 11,326 minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 6 into 0 multiplied by 1000 minus 0 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 6 into 0 into 100 minus 4 into 1 plus 6 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 6 into 1, that is equal to 11,326 minus 1000 minus 40 minus 6, that is 11,326 minus 1046, that is equal to 10280. So Q equal to 1.3311215, or Q equal to 1, and remainder is 10,280. As seen in our example and previous lessons, one can go on calculating the division endlessly for number of decimals after the decimal point. But we'll restrict our divisions to 5 digits only, because that is sufficient for all practical purposes. Now we'll go for examples. Example 1. Divide 71324 by 23145. Now we take first two digits of divisor for 23, and 145 is remaining digits. So Dhvajank is 3 digits. 71 is taken before decimal point, and 324, 3 digits equal to Dhvajank digits, number of digits, is taken after decimal point. So 7 divided by 23 is 0, and remainder is 7. So 71 minus 1 into 0 equal to 71 divided by 23, that is equal to 3, and remainder is 2. So 23 is next dividend. 23 minus 4 into 0 plus 1 into 3 equal to 20 by 23 equal to the quotient is 0, and remainder is 20. So 202 is next dividend, minus 5 into 0 plus 4 into 3 plus 1 into 0, that is equal to 190 divided by 23, that is equal to 8 is quotient, and remainder is 6. Now 64 is next dividend, minus 5 into 3 plus 4 into 0 plus 1 into 8, that is equal to 15 plus 8, 23. 64 minus 23 is 41 divided by 23 equal to quotient is 1, and remainder is 18. So next dividend is 180 minus 5 into 0 plus 3 into 8 plus 1 into 1, that is equal to 32 plus 1, 33. 180 minus 33 is 147 divided by 23 equal to 6 quotient and remainder 9. So 9 is next dividend. 90 minus 5 into 8 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 6 equal to 40 divided by 23 is 1 is quotient and remainder is 17. Now here there are 7 steps and none is cancelled. Remainder is 23/24 minus 1 into 3 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 5 into 3, that is equal to 23/24 minus 300 minus 120 minus 15, that is equal to 23/24 minus 435 equal to 1889. So quotient is 3.08161 or quotient is 3 and remainder is 1889. In the above example, we have taken 23 as divisor and 145 as 3 digits of Dhvajank, that is flag. In case one is unable to make divisions by 23, he or she can take 2 as divisor and 3145 as digits in Dhvajank. We now try to solve above division using 4 digits in Dhvajank. So 2 is first divisor and 3145 remaining divisors digits are taken as Dhvajank. Now 1324 are 4 digits after decimal point, and so 7 divided by 2 equal to 3, remainder is 1. 11 is division minus 3 into 3 equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 is 0 or 2. We take 0 and not 1 for obvious reasons. So 23 is next dividend minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0 equal to 20 by 2 equal to 8 as quotient and 4 as remainder. So 42 is next dividend minus 4 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 8, that is equal to 6 divided by 2 equal to 1 is quotient and 4 is remainder. Now 44 is next dividend minus 5 into 3 plus 4 into 0 plus 1 into 8 plus 3 into 1 equal to, that is 18 divided by 2. So 6 is quotient and 6 is remainder. Now 60 is dividend minus 5 into 0 plus 4 into 8 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 6, that is equal to 9 divided by 2 equal to 1 is quotient and 7 is remainder. So 6 steps are involved and none is cancelled. Now remainder is 11/3/24 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 0 multiplied by 1000 minus 1 into 3 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 5 into 3. So that is equal to 11,324. 9 multiplied by 1000 plus minus 3 multiplied by 100 minus 12 multiplied by 10 minus 15. That is equal to 11,324 minus 9,000 minus 300 minus 120 minus 15. That is equal to 11,324 minus 9,435 equal to 1889. So quotient is 3.08161 or quotient is 3 and remainder is 1889. Hmm. Example 2. Divide 138462 by 39898. 3 is first divisor taken on lower line. Above is 9, diagonally opposite is 9898 Dhvajank. It is 4-digit Dhvajank, so 4 digits from dividend 8462 are taken after decimal point. Now division. 1 divided by 3 is 0 quotient and 1 is remainder. Then next dividend is 13 minus 9 into 0 equal to 13 by 3 equal to 3 quotient and 4 remainder. Next dividend is 48 minus 8 into 0 plus 9 into 3, that is 21 divided by 3, that is equal to 4 quotient and 9 remainder. Next dividend is 94 minus 9 into 0 plus 8 into 3 plus 9 into 4 equal to 34 divided by 3, that is 7 is quotient and 13 is remainder. Next dividend 136 minus 8 into 0 plus 9 into 3 plus 8 into 4 plus 9 into 7, that is equal to 14 divided by 3. So quotient we have taken 0 and remainder is 14. 142 is next remainder. Next dividend minus 8 into 3 plus 9 into 4 plus 8 into 7 plus 9 into 0, that is 26 by 3 equal to 3 is quotient and 17 is remainder. So 170 is next dividend minus 8 into 4 plus 9 into 7 plus 8 into 0 plus 9 into 3 equal to 48 divided by 3, that is 9 is quotient and 21 is remainder. So next dividend 210 minus 8 into 7 plus 9 into 0 plus 8 into 3 plus 9 into 9 equal to 49 divided by 3, that is 9 is quotient and 22 is remainder. Now this is completed in 7 steps and there is no cancellation. So remainder is 48462 minus 9 into 3 plus 8 into 0 plus 9 into 0 plus 8 into 0 multiplied by 1000 minus 8 into 3 plus 9 into 0 plus 8 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 9 into 3 plus 8 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 8 into 3. So remainder is 48462 minus 27 multiplied by 1000 minus 24 multiplied by 100 minus 27 multiplied by 10 minus 24, that is 18768. Now quotient is 3.470399 or quotient is 3 and remainder is 18768. Uh, in this working there is no uh, cancellation. All 7 steps were done, completed without any cancellation. So Vinculum Sutra we need not use, but for academic interest we check the working with Vinculum Sutra. Now T9898 is dividend, is divisor, that is equal to in Vinculum 4 0 minus 1 0 minus 2. So 4 is first divisor and 0 minus 1 or bar 1, 0 bar 2, that is minus 1 taken on upper line. 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2 is Dhvajank having 4 digits. So 4 digits of the dividend 8462 is taken after decimal point. So division now 1 divided by 4 equal to 0 or 1. 1 is remainder. So 1 3 minus 0 into 0, that is 13 divided by 4 is quotient is 3 and remainder is 1. Next dividend is 18 minus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 3, that is equal to 18 by 4 equal to 4 is quotient and 2 is remainder. Now 24 is next remainder. 24 minus 0 into 0 minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 4. So the that is equal to 27 divided by 4 equal to 6 is quotient and remainder is 3. So next dividend is 36 minus 2 into 0 plus 0 into 3, again plus minus 1 into 4, 0 into 6. So that gives us 40 divided by 4, that is 10 is quotient and remainder is 0. Next dividend is 0 2 minus 2 into 3, 0 into 4 plus 0 into 4 plus minus 1 into 6 plus minus 0 into 10. So that equals 14 divided by 4, which gives us quotient as 3 and remainder 2. Next dividend is 20. So minus 2 into 4 plus 0 into 6 plus minus 1 into 10 plus 0 into 3, that gives us 38 divided by 4. So 9 is quotient and 2 is remainder. Now here also we have 7 steps and none of them is cancelled. So remainder is 18462 minus 0 into 3 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus minus 2 into 0, multiplied by 1000 minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 0 into 3 minus 2 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus minus 2 into 3. That gives us 18462 plus 300. Nothing is multiplied 0 multiplied by 1000, 3 multiplied by 100, nothing multiplied by 10, 0 multiplied by 10, and plus 6. So that gives us remainder 18768. So quotient is 3. Now this one out from 10, 1 is transferred to next digit, that is 6 becomes 7. So quotient is 3.47039, or quotient is 3 and remainder is 18768. Example 3, divide 2537 by 48329. 4 is first divisor, 8329 are fourth divisors as Dhvajank, and as 2537 is smaller than 48329, all the four digits are taken after decimal point. Now 2 divided by 4 equal to 0 is quotient and remainder is 2. So next dividend is 25 minus 8 into 0 equal to 25 divided by 4 equal to 5 as quotient and 5 is remainder also. So 53 is next dividend, minus 3 into 0 plus 8 into 5 equal to 13 divided by 4 equal to 2 is quotient and remainder is 5. Now 57 is next quotient, minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 5 plus 8 into 2 equal to 26 divided by 4. That gives us 4 as quotient and 10 is remainder. So 100 is next dividend, minus 9 into 0 plus 2 into 5 plus 8 into 3 plus 8 into 4 equal to 52 divided by 4. That gives us 9 as quotient and 16 is remainder. And last dividend is 160 minus 9 into 5 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 8 into 9 equal to 27 divided by 4 equal to that gives us 4 as quotient and 11 is remainder. Now this involves 6 steps with no cancellation. Quotient here is 0.052494. Next example is example 4. Divide 135791 by 43157. Now 4 is first divisor and 3157 are 4 divisors having are taken as Dhvajank. Now there are 4 digits in Dhvajank, so 5791 are taken after decimal point. Now 1 divided by 4 is 0, quotient 0 and remainder is 1. So next division is 13 minus 3 into 0, that is 13 divided by 4 equal to 3 is quotient and 1 is remainder. Now 15 is next dividend, minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 3, that is 6 divided by 4 equal to 1 is quotient and 2 is remainder. So 27 is next dividend, minus 5 into 0 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1 equal to 21 divided by 4, that gives us 4 as quotient and 5 as remainder. Now 59 is next dividend, minus 7 into 0 plus 5 into 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 4, that gives us 31 divided by 4. So 6 is quotient and 7 is remainder. Now 71 is dividend, next dividend, minus 7 into 3 plus 5 into 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 3 into 6, that is 23 by 4, equal to 4 is quotient and 7 is remainder. Now 70 is dividend, minus 7 into 1 plus 5 into 4 plus 1 into 6 plus 3 into 4, that gives us 25 by divided by 4. So 4 is quotient and 9 is remainder. Now the remainder 15791 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 5 into 0 plus 7 into 0 multiplied by 1000. Next is plus minus, sorry, minus 1 into 3 plus 5 into 0 plus 7 into 0 multiplied by 100, minus 5 into 3 plus 7 into 0, that is multiplied by 10, and last is 7 into 3 minus. So 15,791 minus 9,000 plus 300 minus 300 minus 15 into 10, 150 minus 21. So that gives us result is remainder is 6320. Now quotient is 3.14644, or quotient is 3 and remainder is 6320. Example 5. Divide 76432 by 67998. 6 is the first divisor. 7998 is Dhvajank, 4-digit Dhvajank. So 4 digits of dividend 6432 are taken after decimal point. Now we go for division. 7 divided by 6 equal to 1 is quotient, 1 is quotient and 1 is remainder. So 16 is next dividend, minus 7 into 1 equal to 9 divided by 6, that is equal to 1 is quotient and 3 is dividend. Then 3 is remainder. So 34 next dividend, minus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 1, that is 18 divided by 6. If we take 3 as quotient, remainder is 0, but next dividend would be 0, 3 minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 2, 3 equal to 0, 3 minus 39. So we get minus figure. Hence quotient 3 is not possible. We go back to 34 dividend, minus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 1, that is 18 divided by 6 equal to 2. Quotient we take here 2, then remainder is 6. So next dividend is 63 minus 9 into 1 minus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 2, that gives us 31 divided by 6 equal to, now we take 5 as quotient and remainder is 1. But then next dividend would be 12 dividend minus 8 into 1 plus 8, 9 into 1 plus 9 into 2 plus 7 into 5, that is equal to 12 minus 70. We get minus figure. Hence, we go back to 63. 63 minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 2, that is 31 divided by 6 equal to 4. We take quotient 4 and remainder 7. Now 72 is next dividend, minus 8 into 1 plus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 2 plus 7 into 4 equal to 9 by 6. Here we take 0 as quotient and remainder 9. So 90 is dividend minus 8 into 1 plus 9 into 2 plus 9 into 4 plus 7 into 0, that is 28 divided by 6. Now if we take 4 as quotient and 4 as dividend remainder, then 40 is 40 is dividend minus 8 into 2 plus 9 into 4 plus 9 into 0 plus 7 into 4 will be 40 minus 80. So we get minus figure, that is not possible. Sorry. So we take go back to 90 dividend minus 8 into 1 plus 9 into 2 plus 9 into 4 plus 7 into 0, that gives us 28 by 6. Instead of 4, now we take 3 as quotient and then remainder is 10. So we get 100 dividend. Next is 100 dividend minus 8 into 2 plus 9 into 4 plus 9 into 0 plus 7 into 3, that is 27 divided by 6 equal to 4 is quotient and 3 is remainder. We have got 10 steps here and 3 of them are cancelled. Now remainder 16432 minus 7 into 1 plus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 0 plus 8 into 0 multiplied by 1000 minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 plus 8 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 9 into 1 plus 8 into 0, that is multiplied by 10 minus 8 into 1. So we get 16432 minus 7000 minus 900 minus 90 plus minus 8, 8 into 1. So we get the answer 8434, that is the remainder. So quotient is 1.124034, 124,034, or quotient is 1 and remainder is 8434. If we take help of Venkaram Sutra, now 67998 becomes 7 bar 200 bar 2. So 7 is first divisor, minus 200 minus 2 is the Dhvajank, and Dhvajank has 4 digits, so 6432 4 digits are taken after decimal point. Now 7 divided by 7 equal to 1 and remainder 0. So next is 0.6 is dividend minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1. So 6 plus 2, 8 divided by 7. We get 1 quotient and 1 remainder. Now next dividend is 14 minus 0 into 1 minus 2 into 1, that is 14 plus 2 16 divided by 7 equal to 2 is quotient and 2 is remainder. So 23 is next dividend minus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 minus 2 into 2. So 23 plus 4, 27 divided by 7 equal to 3 is quotient and 6 is remainder. So 62 is next dividend minus 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3, that is minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. So 62 plus 8, 70 divided by 7, we get 10 as quotient and remainder 0. Now 0, 0 is next dividend minus 2 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 3 plus minus 2 into 10. So we get minus 2 minus 20, so 22. 22 by 7, that is 3 is quotient and 1 is remainder. Now this, this is completed in 6 steps and none is cancelled. So remainder is 0.6432 minus 2 into 1 plus 0 0 plus 0 0 minus 2 into 0 multiplied by 1000 minus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 into 0, that is 0 multiplied by 100, then minus 2 into 1 plus minus 2 into 0, sorry, plus 0 into 1 multiplied by 10, and last is minus 2 into 1. So we get 6432 minus 2 becomes plus 2, so 2000 plus, here there is 0 into 100 plus, plus 20 plus 2, so not 20, plus 0 plus 2, so 6432 plus 2000 plus 2, that is 8434. Now quotient is 1.123 becomes 4, so 403, or Q equal to 1 and remainder is 8434. Example 6, divide 20014 by 137608. 132 digits of first divisor are taken on the left. lower line, and 7608 Dhvajank taken up diagonally opposite 13 with 4 digits. Being 4 digits, so 0014 of dividend are taken after decimal point. Now we go for division. 2 divided by 13 equal to 0 or 2. 0 is quotient, 2 is remainder. So 2, 20 is next dividend, minus 7 into 0 equal to 20 divided by 13, that is 1 quotient and 7 remainder. 70 is next 70 is next dividend, minus 6 into 0 plus 7 into 1, that is 63 divided by 13 equal to 4 quotient and 11 remainder. Now next dividend is 111, 111 minus 0 into 0 plus 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4, that is 77 divided by 13. So quotient is 5 and remainder is 12. 124 is next dividend, minus 8 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 6 into 4 plus 7 into 5, that is equal to 65 by 13. So 4 is dividend and 13 is remainder. So next dividend is 130 minus 8 into 1 plus 0 into 4 plus 6 into 5 plus 7 into 4, that is equal to 64 divided by 13, that is fourth quotient, that gives us 4 quotient and 12 remainder. 120 is next remainder, next dividend, minus 8 into 4 plus 0 into 5 plus 6 into 4 plus 7 into 4, that is equal to 36 divided by 13. So we get 2 quotient and 10 is remainder. Now 100 is next dividend, minus 8 into 5 plus 0 into 4 plus 6 into 4 plus 7 into 2, that is equal to 22 divided by 13 equal to 1 quotient and 9 is remainder. Now this involves 8 steps, and 20014 is less than 137,608, so quotient is below 1. So quotient we get is 0.1454421. Now next example 7th. Divide 9185146 by 11121. So 1 is first divisor and 1121 is Dhvajank having 4 digits. So 4 digits of dividend 5146 are taken after decimal point. Now we go for division. 9 divided by 1 equal to 8 quotient and 1 remainder. 11 is next dividend, minus 1 into 8 equal to 3 divided by 1. So we get 2 quotient and 1 remainder. Now 18 is next dividend, minus 1 into 8, 1 into 8 plus 1 into 2, that is 8 divided by 1 equal to 5 is quotient and 3 is remainder. 35 is next dividend, minus 2 into 8 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 5, that is 12 divided by 1 equal to 9 is quotient and 3 is remainder. 31 is next dividend, minus 1 into 8 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 9, that is equal to 5 divided by 1 equal to gives us quotient of 2 and remainder 3. 34 is next dividend. 34 minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 9 plus 1 into 2, that is equal to 11 divided by 1. So we get quotient as 8 and dividend remainder as 3. So 36 is next dividend, minus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 9 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 8, that is 3 divided by 1. So we get 0 quotient and 3 as remainder. So next dividend is 30. 30 minus 1 into 9 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into 0, that is equal to 9 divided by 1. So we get 6 as quotient and 3 as remainder. Now this involves 8 steps and 0 of them are cancelled. So remainder is 35146 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 8 Hello. Plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 5 multiplied by 1000. So minus 1 into 8 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 5 multiplied by 100 minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 multiplied by 10 plus 1 into minus 1 into 5. So 35146 minus 23,000 minus 1700, 23,000 minus 1700 minus 120 minus 5, that is 10321. So quotient is 825.92806, or quotient is 825 and remainder is 10321. Exercise 1. Divide 53937014 by 213181. Second, divide 20014 by 137608. Third, divide 995311 by 23174. Fourth, divide 41326 by 31046. Divide fifth, divide 371628.112 by 12734. Sixth, divide 131 by 19799. Seventh, divide 3984927 by 201235. Eighth, divide 72658375 by 117281. Ninth, divide 2738358 by 19321. Tenth, divide 6769415 by 60708. 11th, divide 8999654 by 251234. And 12th, divide 976485253 by 111232.